Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. So today I'm learning about agriculture skill assessment test, which can be used in specified skilled worker for Japan. Okay, let's start. So at first, general Japanese agriculture. General Japanese agriculture, rice cultivation. So rice cultivation means growing rice plant. There is Asian rice and African rice. Farmer The farmer is widely cultivated around the world, especially in Asia. Asian rice is classified roughly into Indica and Japonica subspecies, and most of the rice plant cultivated in Japan are Japonica rice. So the rice cultivated in Japan are Japonica subspecies or Japonica rice. Japonica subspecies or Japonica rice. Uh, the work involved in rice cultivation such as tillage, transplanting, harvesting, threshing and preparing is mechanized. Vegetable are actively grown by facility cultivation using vinyl house as well as open field cultivation. So they are cultivated using vinyl house and also open field cultivation like the traditional way. There are root vegetable whose root and rhizomes are used, leafy vegetable whose leaves are used, fruit vegetables whose fruit are used. Higher quality vegetables have been produced by improvement in breeding and cultivation technology. The popularization of facility cultivation and availability of covering material have also enabled some kind of vegetable produced throughout the year. This is year-round cultivation. Fruit tree cultivation. So it is like the tree which are found in tree. Fruit found in tree. For evergreen fruit tree, there are citrus fruit, Satsuma mandarin, loquat, etc. For the deciduous fruit tree, apple, grape, pear. Apple are mainly grown in area where the winter are cold, whereas Satsuma mandarin are grown where the winter are warmer. So apple and Satsuma mandarin. Okay, this is the important. You have to read. Okay. Crop body, so it's the body of the crop. The leaf, stem and root are the organ for the growth. They are called vegetative organ. Leaf, stem and root leaf, stem and root are vegetative organ. Flower and fruit are organ that live offspring. Flower and fruit are for offspring. They are called reproductive organ. Flower and fruit are reproductive organ. So stem, um, leaf, stem, and root are uh, vegetative growth and reproductive growth. Growth is divided into vegetative growth and reproductive growth. Vegetative growth means the growth of vegetative organs such as leaf, stem, root, and reproductive growth means the growth that produce fruit and seed. The condition that appear to shift from vegetative growth to reproductive growth depend on a crop. Photosynthesis. Crop carry out for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis require light, carbon dioxide, and H2 and water. Photosynthesis require light, carbon dioxide, and water. Light they need. Photosynthesis require light, carbon dioxide, and water. Crop synthesize carbon dioxide, carbohydrate by photosynthesis. Crop synthesize carbohydrate by photosynthesis. Generally, stronger light will produce more photosynthesis. So the stronger light produce more photosynthesis. So photosynthesis requires light, carbon dioxide, and water. Respiration. Crop carry out respiration. Respiration increase when the crop are rapidly growing and when the temperature is high. When the temperature is at night is high, respiration increase and carbohydrates that were made during the daytime are consumed in large amount resulting in less accumulation in the crop. So photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide take in, oxygen go out, sunlight take in. Light, carbon dioxide and water. Transpiration, stoma, stoma and water, stoma, water, stoma and water. Respiration, stoma, stoma. Transpiration, stoma. Transpiration also, stoma. Stoma take moisture and respiration but stoma. So it is the input. Crop drain moisture from leaf stomata. This is called transpiration. Crop absorb nutrient and water in a soil through their root. Formation of flower bud. When vegetative growth has progressed to some level, reproductive growth begin and flower bud are formed. This is called flower bud differentiation. There are two types of flower bud differentiation. The type that grow some extent and then differentiate regularly, tomato. A type that differentiate under the influence of environmental changes such as temperature and daylight, radish and spinach. Short day planter plant that differentiate flower bud when the dark time is longer than a certain time, decrease in length of light time. Strawberry, chrysanthemums and so on. Long day planter plant that differentiate flower bud when the dark time is shorter than the certain time, increasing light and light time. Spinach and so on. Long plant differentiate flower bud when the temperature is low. Radish, cabbage, broccoli and so on. Crop system, crop cropping system and cropping type. Okay,